in order to change a party package in LilYPad without changing the time or date, the best way to do it is first find your party package. So go to the calendar. In this case, we'll choose the one on April the 10th. So what you need to do is take down some information on the party. So the best things that you want to take down are the sale ID, the time, the room number, the current party package they have, the birthday child, and the party size, and the date of the party as well. So that's those are just some quick things that you need to jot down about the party. So once you have those down, just hit the edit button. So this will bring up the party package sale. So in this case, we're going to remove all the items associated with that particular party package. So this basically will free up that time for us to book in the other party package. So at that point, you can see we have a negative balance of negative 74.31. So that will go towards the new party package. So I'll just hit the save and close button. So now you can see it's been saved. It'll give you that confirmation. So at this point, just take note of the sale ID, and then we're going to use that to search up the sale again to put in our new party package at the same time and date. So that was 12/28. So we'll just enter that. It comes up here. You can see the details of the sale there. So in this case, we'll just hit the edit button. So now we'll add our new party package. So in this case, we'll add the weekend birthday package. So we'll just select the date, which we took note of before. So in this case, we'll choose the 4 to 6 time here, and it was room 3 as well. And then I'll just automatically slot in our tracker time based on the party if it does use the tracker. So at this point too, you need to put in the birthday child's name, which you took note of before as well. So we'll hit add to party order. So now you can see it's been added, and then the deposit will go towards that new party package, showing our new outstanding balance. So at this point, we'll just hit the save and close button. That will slot that time slot in. And then you can just print a receipt, or you can email the customer the receipt as well with the new changes.